Alright friends, I just found a cool new trend on YouTube Shorts, character fusion videos. These videos combine famous anime and movie characters into one, and the results are seriously mind-blowing. Each fusion is super creative and unexpected, and just look at the views, easily hitting 1 million. This channel started only 4 months ago, and it already has nearly 100K subscribers. The YPP ad revenue? At least $4,000 a month. That's amazing, right? But wait, you might be wondering, can this kind of content actually join YouTube's partner program, YPP? The answer is yes. I use a tool that helps check a channel's YPP eligibility. Just click, check this channel, wait a second. Boom, it's in. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, now follow along with this video as I walk you through the full process. Make sure to watch until the end. Every step matters, and I'll also share some editing tips at the end to help your video stand out. Step 1. Pick your characters. You need to decide which 2 characters to fuse. I use ChatGPT for help. Open ChatGPT and type, "Give me 20 famous female Disney character names." Boom. Perfect. Now ask for, "Give me 20 famous character names from Marvel movies." Let's try combining Snow White and Iron Man. Here's the idea. A picture of both characters standing together. A short video of them interacting. A picture of their fusion. For example, Snow White in Iron Man's suit. In ChatGPT, type, "I want to create 2 AI images. First, Snow White and Iron Man standing together. Second, Snow White and Iron Man fusion. For example, Snow White wearing Iron Man's suit. Give me detailed AI prompts for Flux. I want consistency, keep the same background. Each prompt should be 4 to 5 detailed sentences. Make it photorealistic." ChatGPT might try to generate images, but if you don't have ChatGPT Plus, add this at the end. Don't create image directly, give prompts only. For that, ChatGPT gives us 2 perfect AI prompts for images. Step 2. Generate the images. I use Piclumen AI to create the images, but you can use Leonardo AI or any other tool you prefer. Copy the first prompt, go to Piclumen AI, click Launch App, paste the prompt. Choose the Piclumen Art V1 model, set aspect ratio to 9:16, perfect for shorts, TikTok, Reels. Then click Generate. Looks good? Great. Now do the same with the second prompt to create the fusion image. If you don't like the result, click Return to regenerate. Pick the best images and download them to your computer. Step 3. Create the videos. This is the most important part. We need to make 4 video clips, the characters smiling at each other, the characters hugging, the fusion transformation, the fused character in action. Use Kling AI for this, especially the 3rd clip with keyframe animation. First, let's make the interaction clip. Open Kling, upload the first image as the start frame. Then type, "Snow White and Iron Man smiling at each other." Click Generate. Pro tip, use Kling during off-peak hours for faster processing. For me, 8 p.m. works well. It only took 20 minutes. Once done, download the video, and open the video just downloaded, paused on the end, and take a screenshot of the final frame. Now upload that screenshot back into Kling as the start frame. Use a simple prompt like, "Snow White and Iron Man hugging." Click Generate. After it's done, download it in computer and open the video screenshot the final frame again. Now use this as the start frame and upload the fusion image as the end frame. Add a simple prompt like, Snow White transforms into Iron Man fusion. This time it's fast, just 4 minutes. Alright, download the final video clip. Step 4, video editing. Now that we have all our clips, it's time to edit. Use CapCut. Open CapCut and import your media. First, add your background music to the timeline. Click Mark Beat to sync the music. Then, drop your video clips into the timeline one by one. Now, trim them and add transitions for a smoother flow. Next, fix the color tones if needed to make everything look consistent. You can also change the video speed a bit to make it more fluid. Lastly, remove any watermarks. Here's how. Select all clips, CMD+A, click Create Compound Clip, then click Resize, and crop the top area to hide watermarks. Adjust the video size to fill the canvas. Preview. If everything looks good with no watermarks, export the final video. Alright friends, that's the full walkthrough, and this was just a demo. You can always polish your videos more. Remember, on YouTube, having a niche is great, but how you run your channel is even more important. Don't expect to go viral after just one upload. Keep analyzing your data. For shorts, watch 2 key metrics. Average percentage viewed, aim for 80% or higher. Stayed to watch rate, aim for 70% or higher. Best higher than 80%. If you're not hitting those numbers, optimize your videos to improve. Also, work on your SEO. Find the best keywords. Try tools like vidIQ, super helpful. And most importantly, be patient. Success takes time. We're in it for the long run, right? Alright, that's it for today's video. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. I'll reply as soon as possible. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Oh, and I post 2 videos every week, so check back often. You might find a spark of inspiration. Thanks for watching. See you next time, and good luck.